everybody, Justin Worden. You're watching What's New in Electronics. We are here on the floor of SMTA International in Chicago. I got my friend Jay Patel from Amtech. Jay, how you doing, man?
Doing good.
Have you had an opportunity to walk around the floor yet?
Yeah, it's pretty, there's a lot of new things out there, some old things, a lot of new things, so it's nice to learn what's going on in the industry, who the incumbents are, who the new movers and shakers are, and the new technologies and applications, so it's really good.
Yeah, I find it amazing that we come to these shows and it's kind of like on repeat. There's so many shows nowadays, but every time you come, there's something new. There's a new vibe, there's new technology, there's new people. It's just a growing industry.
I think that's the first of all, electronics. The beautiful thing about electronics and being this industry, it's going to be one of those industries that is going to forever grow until apocalypse. So that means that we're always going to be pushing the limits. There's going to be new applications that need new technologies and new ways to process. And the nice thing about coming to shows like this is that, we may not be at the forefront of it, but other people are talking to other people who exhibit here or demanding that processes need to change. So for us, it's a big learning opportunity to see where the industry is going and kind of allowing us to see what is potentially in our blind spot, so we're prepared for it.
Yeah, you make a very important point there because we're transitioning into a world of just the Zoom, the conference call, the out-of-office work, and on the executive level, that can be kind of challenging because when you get here and you get in person, you talk with your competitors, you talk with your colleagues, and you realize a lot of the challenges you're facing, they're also facing.
Yeah.
So just having that face-to-face opportunity to brainstorm, you can solve a lot of issues and grow your business.
Absolutely. A couple years ago, I never attended any of these events, and I think we were lucky enough to build a good leadership team that said, Jay, you need to go to these events. You'll learn a lot more. And I can tell you, there's a big day and night difference between us attending these events and post. The network, the learning, the technology, the people, and different opportunities, whether it's on internal process improvement or external business development and product customer fit or product market fit. We've been learning a lot on that and creating unbelievable traction on that side for us.
Well, Jay, I think we gave the SMTA enough free publicity. Let's talk about Amtech. You're right around the corner, just a few 100 miles away over in Detroit. What do you guys focus on right now?
So we're a company, and our tagline or way we try to explain it is we focus on high tech, high mix, and high reliability. So we like complex assemblies, complex circuit boards, high mix, so it's not like consumer level volume. So high mix, from 1 to whatever it may be. And then high reliability markets such as safety, industrial, automotive aftermarket, as well as life sciences and medical devices.
When you're talking with a new customer or potential customer, what are you kind of seeing as some of the challenges they're facing, making a decision on who they're going to go with, or just getting that process up off the ground? It seems like a lot of work.
I think, the thing about choosing contract manufacturer, it's almost like a one-way street. Once you go down that route, you can't easily change that. And I think when customers take a look at us, what they're looking at, again, what we try to show is that we're looking at fundamentally is, are they reliable? Are they responsive? And are they robust? And when we talk about in our leadership team and strategic thinking, that is a decision maker that if we add this, is it going to make a better experience, more reliable experience, more robust experience, a more responsive experience for our customer? If so, then the decision is made. If not, then we would table that decision.
Now, with Amtech, how long have you guys been in the Detroit area?
So we've been in business about 30 years. My mom and dad started it. My mom was a solder tech at Jabil. I was in high school. My dad had a very, big entrepreneurial itch, and we had a lot of friends and family who were in the electronics manufacturing industry. So we jumped into it, and I think they have contributed to our success. Other people have contributed to our success, maybe as more than us. There's been a lot of people who have invested in us, whether it may be just well wishes or technical or know-how, including suppliers and employees. So one of the things that we always focus on is when we're looking at our customer experience, employee experience, or stakeholder experiences, is we've been blessed by other people to be where we're at, and our entire focus is to take what we have and pay it forward to everybody else.
I don't know if I can wrap it up any better than that. Jay, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.